Imagine a world where the pyramids shimmered under electric lights. Picture Greek philosophers debating the mysteries of electricity. What if ancient civilizations had unlocked this powerful force of nature? In our history, electricity was discovered much later. But what if it wasn't? What if thousands of years ago, a curious Egyptian or a Greek inventor had stumbled upon the secrets of electricity? This is not just a thought experiment, it's a way to understand the power of innovation and how it can reshape civilization. Join me as we explore this alternate history. The most immediate change would be illumination. Imagine the pyramids not lit by flickering torches, but bathed in the glow of electric lamps. Temples and cities would sparkle at night, pushing back the darkness. This new light source would revolutionize life. People could work, study, and socialize after sunset. The night, once feared, would become a time of opportunity. Think of the Library of Alexandria. Imagine its vast halls illuminated, allowing scholars to work late into the night, accelerating the pace of discovery. Electricity wouldn't just bring light, it would bring power. Imagine early versions of electric motors powered by simple batteries or generators. These machines could grind grain, lift water, and even power chariots. This would revolutionize agriculture and construction. Farmers could irrigate their land more efficiently, leading to increased food production. Builders could construct bigger and more impressive structures. The very nature of labor would change, with machines taking on tasks previously done by humans or animals. This could lead to new societal structures and economic systems. Transportation and communication would also be transformed. Imagine electric chariots speeding across the desert, powered by early batteries. Messages, instead of being carried by runners, could be sent instantly through wires, using a rudimentary form of the telegraph. These advancements would connect empires like never before. Trade would flourish, and news would travel faster, facilitating diplomacy and potentially avoiding conflicts. Imagine the Roman Empire, not just connected by roads, but by a network of telegraph lines, allowing for swift communication across vast distances. Section 5. The Electric Pharaoh and the Battle of Marathon. Military technology would also see a dramatic shift. Imagine armies equipped with electric weapons, such as rudimentary tasers or even early forms of electric fences. The battlefield would be forever changed. The course of history itself might have been altered. Would the Persians have been successful in their invasion of Greece if the Greeks possessed electric weapons at the Battle of Marathon? The balance of power could shift, leading to new empires and alliances. Warfare, for better or worse, would enter a new era. Section 6. A new age of wonder. The discovery of electricity wouldn't just bring technological advancements, it would usher in a new era of scientific inquiry. Imagine a world where the ancient minds of the past were suddenly illuminated by the spark of electricity. This newfound energy would not only light up their homes, but also their imaginations. The mysteries of electricity would captivate the minds of ancient scholars. They would pore over scrolls and manuscripts, trying to understand this invisible force that seemed to hold so much power. Their discussions would be filled with excitement and wonder as they debated the potential uses and implications of this new discovery. Imagine Plato and Aristotle debating the nature of this invisible force. Their philosophical inquiries would take on new dimensions as they tried to reconcile their existing knowledge with this new phenomenon. The debates would be intense and thought-provoking, pushing the boundaries of their understanding. Think of the incredible inventions that might have been conceived as minds like Archimedes and Hero of Alexandria turned their attention to electricity. Their workshops would be filled with the hum of experimentation as they tried to harness this new power for practical uses. From early mechanical devices to more complex machinery, the possibilities would be endless. The very understanding of the universe and our place within it might have been radically different. Ancient astronomers, with their newfound knowledge of electricity, might have developed new ways to observe the stars and map the heavens. Their discoveries could have changed the course of history, leading to a deeper understanding of the cosmos. Science and spirituality could have been intertwined in ways we can only imagine. In ancient temples, scholars and priests might have used scientific instruments in their rituals, blending their quest for knowledge with their spiritual practices. This fusion of science and spirituality could have led to a more holistic understanding of the world, where the physical and the metaphysical were seen as interconnected. Section 7. The Power and the Peril. In the annals of history, few discoveries have had as profound an impact as the harnessing of electricity. This chapter delves into the dual nature of this monumental force. But this power wouldn't come without risks. The discovery of electricity was both a blessing and a curse. It promised to revolutionize the way ancient societies functioned, offering unprecedented advancements in technology and daily life. The dangers of electricity would need to be understood and managed. Ancient scholars and engineers worked tirelessly to comprehend its properties, documenting their findings in scrolls and diagrams. They knew that without proper understanding, the consequences could be dire. Accidents would happen, and the ethical implications of this new technology would be debated. In bustling marketplaces and solemn courtrooms, the potential hazards of electricity sparked heated debates. Leaders and commoners alike grappled with the moral questions it raised. Just as with nuclear power in our own time, ancient societies would have to grapple with the duality of electricity, its capacity for both creation and destruction. The glowing cities illuminated the night, a testament to human ingenuity, while the ruins served as a stark reminder of its destructive potential. The control and distribution of electricity could lead to new forms of power struggles and social inequalities. In opulent halls, the elite discussed how to wield this new power, while in the fields, commoners toiled with electrical devices, highlighting the growing divide. It would be a powerful tool, and like any tool, it could be used for good or ill. The ancient leader, holding an electrical staff, symbolized the immense potential and peril of this discovery. The choices made would shape the future of their civilization, for better or worse. Section 8. A legacy electrified. If ancient civilizations had discovered electricity, their legacy would be vastly different. We might be uncovering ancient cities powered by long-lost technologies, marveling at their ingenuity. The very foundations of our modern world, built on the principles of electricity, might have been laid millennia ago. Our technological progress could have been accelerated by thousands of years. Imagine a world where the wonders of electricity weren't confined to history books, but were part of a shared human heritage stretching back to antiquity. It's a tantalizing thought. Section 9. Our electric future. This exploration of an electrified past leads us to ponder our own relationship with technology. From the first flicker of electric light to the complex networks that power our modern world, electricity has been a cornerstone of human progress. It has transformed the way we live, work, and connect with each other. We are a species defined by our inventions. From the wheel to the microchip, each innovation has pushed the boundaries of what is possible. Our ability to create and adapt has allowed us to overcome challenges and improve our quality of life. Electricity, in our own time, has fueled unprecedented progress. It powers our homes, our industries, and our digital lives. The advent of electric power has enabled us to achieve feats that were once the stuff of science fiction, but it has also brought challenges. The environmental impact of energy production, the threat of cyber attacks, and the digital divide are just a few of the issues we face. As we continue to innovate, we must also address these challenges to ensure a sustainable and secure future. As we stand on the cusp of new technological revolutions, such as artificial intelligence and quantum computing, we must consider the ethical implications of these advancements. How will they shape our society? What new opportunities and challenges will they bring? It's worth remembering the lessons of the past, both real and imagined. History has shown us that with great power comes great responsibility. We must learn from our successes and our mistakes to build a better future. The future is not predetermined. It is a canvas waiting to be painted by the choices we make today. Each decision, no matter how small, contributes to the larger picture of our collective future. It is shaped by the choices we make today. Collaboration and innovation are key to addressing the challenges we face. By working together, we can create solutions that benefit everyone. Let us strive to use our knowledge wisely. Education and research are essential to driving progress and ensuring that we use technology for the greater good. By investing in these areas, we can empower future generations to continue the journey of innovation. To harness the power of technology for the betterment of humanity, we must focus on sustainable and ethical practices. Renewable energy, medical advancements, and equitable access to technology are crucial components of a brighter future. And to ensure that our electric future is a bright one, we must remain committed to these principles. Together, we can build a world where technology enhances our lives and preserves our planet for generations to come.